Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video I am trying out Curology for 30 days. Obviously this is the after, so I'm very excited for you to see the progress that I made, but I watched the clip back that I filmed that day and I didn't even explain what Curology is. So basically what Curology is a skincare treatment made and formulated for you specifically and your specific needs. So pretty much you go onto the website, you take a quiz of what you want to accomplish, and then you also send pictures if you wish to kind of help the dermatologist figure out your exact formula. It helps them kind of like take a look and like maybe you don't know exactly what kind of acne you're you're struggling with, so it just kind of helps them a little bit more. And then it is sent off to a dermatologist, a certified dermatologist, like it's actually a doctor. And they formulate this formula for you and your skin goals and just what your face is like looking like, or your back. I even got the back wash, the body wash as well. So, and I also just wanted to say that for your first month, all you pay is shipping. So it is a 30-day free trial, and I did do an unboxing of that box, which I will include right now. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I just got my first box in the mail today. So I obviously wanted to make sure that I started this before I tried it out. So got my first box in the mail today. I'll show you what comes in it. It has the instructions on what to do. So it says like, morning and night. Start with the cleanser, then the custom formula, and then the moisturizer. And then we've got a sample of the emergency spot patch. So I'll honestly probably put that on this guy because that's just not cute. And then the actual stuff comes in this little bag here. So they come in these cute little 30-day sample sizes. So this is the cleanser, the moisturizer, and then my custom formula here. And then also I also have a trial size of the acne body wash because my back and chest is also just not that great. So yeah, I'm ready to take my makeup off and wash my face, so let's head on over to my bathroom. Okay, quickly because my battery's dying. My battery's always freaking dying. Okay, but this is what my face looks like at the very beginning. Also, it is December 5th right now. December 5th, so I'll check back in weekly up until January 5th, but this is what my face looks like before. Super flattering. Love that for me. Alright, my camera died. We're on my phone now. Okay, so onto this now. I don't know how much I'm really supposed to use. Let's use a little bit. This stuff doesn't smell either, which is nice. And then the moisturizer. Here we go. And then I might use that patch on this guy tonight because this guy is really bothering me. But I mean, if that makes a big difference, I'll check in with you guys in the morning with an update on that. And then otherwise I will do like weekly updates for the next 4 weeks. I hope it turns out well because I am very hopeful with the testimonials on the website. There are plenty of girls with skin way worse than mine that it cleared. So supposedly, anyways, based on the pictures, like you don't actually know if that's true or not. But yeah, I'm excited to see what happens, and I hope that it helps because I'm really sick of this. Hey guys, it is actually a week and 2 days later. I meant to do this on Saturday, but I completely forgot. I'm just here with a skin update after a week of using Curology. So let's just start. This guy came up this morning, so did this guy, and then these guys over here, and this as well since it started. Which the website says that your skin needs to like adjust to the new stuff, so that's perfectly like makes sense to me. I do think that like these guys have gotten lower. Like these are completely flat now for the most part. This guy is just like the tiniest bit raised, but there hasn't been any like pus or anything. That's gross, sorry. But there hasn't been like any grossness with that for a while. And then these guys only lasted like a couple of days. So like that's really nice. And then once this redness goes down, like I think it'll be pretty good. I'm hoping that by the end of the 4-month trial that everything will be pretty good. The website does say that it could take like 4 to 6 to 8 weeks or something in there for your skin to adjust and start noticing like big improvements. But I do think that that's probably more for like the cystic acne people who are struggling with it. Mine is just obviously minor compared to theirs, even though I thought that mine was pretty bad for a while there anyway. But yeah, that's about it for the weekly check-in, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully it'll be better. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It is now a week later since the last clip, and I obviously just got out of the shower, but I wanted to do an update before I finished getting ready for the day. I'm also just chilling in my robe because it's super comfy and whatever. So just, yeah, whatever. But I wanted to do a skin update, and honestly, I am so excited. I don't know if you guys can see like as much of a difference as I can, but from dealing with acne for the longest time, I'm seeing quite the improvement. Cal is seeing an improvement, and I'm just beyond like excited that this is like actually working. So like I do have a couple little breakouts here and one on my cheek that's like, those are the only two like bad ones right now though, and like I am about to start my period soon, so like those are probably from that, plus the stress of like the holidays and work and whatever. So honestly, like those are kind of expected for me, but for what I normally get during this time and like stressful periods, this is nothing. This one was pretty bad. I'll get up and personal, but it's just a little small little like scar. It'll go away, I'm sure, at the moment. Same with this one. They're just little red dots at the moment, but they were like really large. And I used the spot patches actually on both of those and this one yesterday, so I'll probably do it again tonight. But literally I am blown away with how much it like actually worked and took out of it. I wish I showed it, but it's kind of gross. But it decreased the puffiness quite a bit. So yeah, like these are just all flat red marks that'll go away. This one is still a little bit like bumpy, and then I have noticed some like blackheads over here, but again, my face is probably still adjusting to the new products. But other than that, like I'm pretty happy. 3 weeks in and I'm seeing improvement. And I've noticed like my redness has gone down quite a bit as well. So I'm excited. So yeah, I'm very excited and I'll see you guys next week. Hey guys, it's a week later again now and I am coming back with another update on my skin. So honestly, like I think it's even better than last week. I think this one right here is a little bit red. I just like picked at it a little bit. That has been the only whitehead on my nose that I've noticed in the past couple of weeks since I started this. Or like since like the first week or whatever. So I'm like really happy about that. I have been, normally I would wake up like every day with a whole bunch of whiteheads on my nose and I barely had any. This was the first one in literally a couple of weeks, which I'm shocked about, especially with the holiday season and how stressed out I was over everything. It's crazy to me that I did not break out more than I did. Like all of this is just like scarring that will definitely go away. There's no active acne here or here. Just a little bit on my chin here, which I'm working on. I think that's from the mask. Can't do anything about that. But the fact that these two here that were literally so bad like a week and a half ago are basically gone now, I am blown away. And my chin doesn't even have anything really. It's been such a long time since I have felt good in my own skin. I'm like really happy with this. Yeah, like I feel confident going out without makeup on or like seeing my friends without makeup on or whatever, because I mean, why not? Alright, but I will see you guys next week. Okay, so this is my skin after 30 days of using Curology. Honestly, I've said this the whole month, but I am just blown away with the progress that this has helped me make. Obviously, I still have a long way, well, not really like a long way, but I still have some progress that I want to work towards, but I mean, we'll do a before and after shot of what it was before and what it is now, but like I know that there is so much of a difference. I feel confident in myself. I feel like I can actually go places without makeup on if we're ever allowed to not wear the mask, because like obviously the mask covers most of this, which is great, but I can come on here without makeup on and feel like kind of okay. Like that clip of me opening the box is just like, ooh. But I have to do it. I have to show the progress. But yes, I'm just super happy. Let's do one more glance over. I obviously still have some scarring here, a little bit of redness and like bumps here. They're not really like, I don't know, they're just like baby bumps. There's like baby bumps on my forehead still that I'm working on. And then just like these guys down here, I'm still trying to work on. These kind of came up out of nowhere, not really sure exactly. But like this whole month, like I've barely had any like active acne, which is like really rare for me. Normally I will wake up every single day with at least 1 or 2, if not more. And like normally they would fill up so much that it hurts so bad, and they're giant and they're huge. Giant and huge are the same word. But that hasn't really been happening this past month, and I'm so happy right now and I can't wait to see where it goes from here. So again, I am so happy with the results from using Curology for only a month. Like I cannot believe how much my skin has changed in just a month. Like it's crazy. I'm so happy with it. I'm obviously going to keep continuing using it. I will pay the full price for it, which honestly isn't like that bad. It depends on your formula, so I'm not gonna go like into depth. I think it depends on your formula. Anyways, I'm still not gonna go into depth on prices. If you are interested, definitely check out the website, Curology.com. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just so happy right now. And like as my skin progresses, like I can go in and change the formula for different skin goals if you want to. Like if my acne ends up going like completely away and I just want to work on the scarring or the dark spots or the uneven skin tone, like all of that you can formulate into your custom formula, and it doesn't have to stay the same throughout your whole time with Curology. So that's really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you figure out if you want to try this or not. I would definitely recommend it, and I honestly have not watched a video where they like say that it's not worth it. I 100% think that it's worth the money if you have been struggling for years, or even if it's just starting for you. But like in my case, I have been struggling with acne for so long. Like, it's not even funny how many days I woke up and I look in the mirror and I'm like, I just want these to go away. And like nothing worked until this. And I'm just so forever grateful for it. But yeah, so I hope it helps you figure out whether this is right for you or not. If you do give it a try and you end up liking it or disliking it even, like let's have a conversation about it in the comments. I would love to do that. I answer basically every comment. So definitely do that if you try it out. Give this video a like if it helped you, and subscribe down below as well for more videos from me. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.